Hi, this is Armando speaking, and welcome to this brief presentation on success, its elements, and how we can better accomplish it in a business environment. Okay, first off, we begin by analyzing the concept of success itself. Okay, so many people in our lives tell us that success is relative, that not everyone's success is the same. But I begin by disagreeing with this assertion because, well, success, in my definition, it is the accomplishments of one's aims or goals. So let us see here. What can be subjective are one's aims or goals. Not every one of us got the same aims or goals in our lives. So that is why many people are going to tell us that success is relative because we are not all looking for the same things in life. Okay, so and this is even more true when we travel across countries because between cultures there is a big divide between what one culture considers appropriate for success and what another considers appropriate. For example, let's compare, let's say here, a person from the US and a person from Saudi Arabia. What is appropriate to do in one culture opposed to another is really different here. We're talking about big changes. For example, in Saudi Arabia, it would be appropriate to, well, actually to be really religious, to participate in all the religious rituals. In the US, depending on the part you are located, well, it might seem backward to actually participate in the religious part of life in there. Well, now we go. Here, it's really important for a person or organization to set goals, and this why? Because setting goals allows us to better track our road to success. When we have a set goal, it's easier to us to measure how far or how near we are of attaining that goal. Yes, that is why it is really important that we set goals so that we can define the way to our success. Okay, then, well, I'm going to tell you now a brief example of what would be a short term goal and a long term goal of mine. In the short term, what I would like to do is to finish my studies at UR and get my degree. So yes, short term, we're talking about approximately 8 months or so because I still have two other tetras. I don't really know the word there to finish my studies and get my degree. And in the long term, what I would like to do is to establish a successful business in the corporate branch. Well, not the corporate branch, that was silly of me. What I meant it was to establish a successful business on the real estate industry. Um, this successful business, my plan is to establish a company that provides services to other real estates. So yes, that is that. And this plan, I aim it to at least 10 years or so. So that is why it's a long-term plan. That it's going to require quite a lot of planning, and actually I'm lacking on the networking department, so I need to work on that to actually reach that goal. Okay, so we advance. In conclusion, well, after seeing all this, in conclusion, success, we finish with it not being relative. It's actually a clear defined concept. What's relative are our goals. The culture, it deeply affects our definitions of success and how we attain it. And, well, the importance of setting goals so that we have a way defined so that we can track our progress towards our goals. And have a good day, and thank you for listening to this presentation.